Oh no, am I recording? Ha ha ha. Nice teeth, huh? Kidding. It's me, Timmy. I just got this camcorder. How freaking nice it is. Just testing. I mean, this is where I'm staying for now. So in the time being, sorry. I just came back from Philly and I was just unpacking. So look at my mess everywhere. Sorry. Yeah. Excuse the mess. You probably don't care anyways. Ha 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 ha. Look how perfect my teeth are. Ha ha. It's just in a matter of days before I land the Crest or Colgate commercial. Ha 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 ha. It's not so nice when you get an Oreo cookie like this, cause Oreo is my favorite cookie. Hold on. You want to see a trick? Huh. Whoop. Oh no, you don't want to go down there. Ha ha ha. But like nasty bitch. Anyways, oh yeah. Oh. Ooh. 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 I guess you can see my Cambodian flag over there. Representing Cambodia, and you see that tiny little Filipino flag right there? I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, whatever. Cambodia and Philippines. Yeah. Let's see what we doing over here. Oh, I was just listening to some music. So, you know. Oh, anyways, I was just testing this camcorder, so I guess it works now, and I really gotta get going because I got a lot of shit to do today, so I'll see you later. Alright, peace out. Love ya. Timmy Thok loves ya. Mwah.